All right, let's unpack this. Think about AI, not just for, emails or self-driving cars, but changing something really fundamental we all deal with every single day, our food. So today we're doing a deep dive into AI, the future of smart cooking and recipe innovation. We've seen sources showing AI predicting flavors, optimizing nutrition, even like creating totally new meals. But how does an algorithm really get a handle on something as complex, as personal, as taste? And what's this mean for, well, for your kitchen?
Yeah, and what's really fascinating here, I think, is that it's not just about making things automatic. It's deeper. It's a profound shift in how we actually understand and maybe reinvent our whole relationship with food. So our mission here in this deep dive is really to unpack all these possibilities for you. We want to show how this intelligence is sort of moving into the culinary world, making recipes smarter, healthier, and importantly, more sustainable too.
You mentioned predicting flavors. That sounds tricky. Flavor is so subjective, right?
Yeah.
And cultural. How can an algorithm, which just crunches data, begin to grasp something like taste in a way that works for everyone?
It's pretty revolutionary, actually. AI algorithms, they look at millions, literally millions of existing recipes. They find these common ingredient pairings that people, consistently enjoy. But it's way beyond just looking at old cookbooks, these deep learning models. Think of them learning like a chef learns from experience, but massively faster and on a huge scale. They're actually figuring out the underlying chemical reasons why certain ingredients work well together.
Ah, okay. So not just tomato and basil taste good together.
Exactly.
Yeah.
They're understanding the specific chemical compounds creating that synergy. And then when you bring in sensory science, that's the study of how our senses, perceive food. AI can start predicting not just taste, but texture and aroma combinations too. So while humans often rely on trial and error for new pairings, AI uses this data to suggest things that are genuinely novel and hopefully delicious.
That's a powerful tool. And it's not just flavor, you said, it's also mastering personalized nutrition. How does that work for like our individual health?
Well, it means we're moving past that general eat your greens advice towards something truly hyper-personalized. AI can build entire meal plans based on your specific health goals, maybe allergies you have, or unique nutrient needs. Machine learning can then tweak those plans based on how your metabolism actually works.
Why?
And what's really impressive, I think, is how AI can subtly adjust taste profiles, like at a molecular level. It can reduce sugar or fat or sodium in a recipe without completely wrecking the taste. So potentially, it could shift our eating habits without us even really noticing.
Like making us healthier.
Sort of, yeah. And there are even these cutting-edge apps starting to use DNA-based food analysis. So your unique genetic makeup, maybe how you process fats or absorb certain vitamins can directly shape your meal plan. These are really targeted, adaptable dietary solutions that used to need, a lot of personal research or seeing a specialist.
That is incredible. Okay, so the impact goes way beyond just our home kitchens then. How is this intelligence playing out in, say, big operations like restaurants? Are they getting similar benefits, efficiency, less waste?
Oh, absolutely. Restaurants are definitely leveraging AI for optimizing recipes, yes, but also drastically cutting down food waste and even predicting what customers might want with pretty startling accuracy. You've got automated cooking assistants helping chefs fine-tune ingredient ratios for consistency and, well, perfection.
Right. And the waste thing is huge in that industry. So how does AI help a chef, say, manage their inventory better?
It's all about smart data, really. AI-powered inventory systems can track what's in stock and actually suggest recipes using those ingredients first, so less spoilage. And smart ordering systems look at food trends, past sales, maybe even local events to predict demand. This means kitchens order just what they need right when they need it. It avoids over-ordering.
Makes sense. Much leaner operations.
Yeah, exactly. Incredibly efficient. And if you look even further ahead, AI is starting to generate entirely new foods. We're already seeing things like lab-created plant-based proteins that mimic meat with amazing precision, thanks to AI. AI is even helping bioengineer ingredients to boost nutrition, creating potential new superfoods. And soon, smart kitchen gadgets will probably suggest recipes based on what's actually in your fridge right now. Effortless meal planning.
So wrapping this up,
Yeah.
what does this all really mean for us? It feels like from understanding flavor chemistry to making global food systems better, AI isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's a fundamental force reshaping our culinary world, making it smarter, healthier, and really importantly, more sustainable.
Exactly. It really opens up a world of profound possibilities for everyone, really, whether you're cooking at home and want healthier options, or you're a food scientist working on the next superfood, or, yeah, a restaurant owner trying to cut waste and serve customers better. This isn't just some passing trend. It feels like a fundamental shift in how we interact with our food. So the big question to leave you with is, what does it actually mean for our relationship with food? When intelligence can craft, optimize, and maybe even invent what we eat, how is this going to reshape, culinary creativity and just our daily dining experiences?